If you want to add signatures in Gmail, you are in the right place. First, open Gmail and click on Settings. Then click on See All Settings. Scroll down and click on Create New under Signature. Here you can name your new signature and click on Create. Here you can add or type in your signature and format it. You can change the text font, size and other parameters. You can even add an image or a logo if you click here. You can, for example, use a web address, Google Drive, or just upload it directly. So select your image and then resize it. You can add multiple signatures if you click on Create New, and then you can always select the preferred one. Let's call the second signature Paul and click on Create. Same here, repeat the process, type in your signature or just add it and format it. Change the text, font, size and other parameters. As I told you before, you can select the signature you want to prefer just by clicking here under Signature Defaults. Select the one you want and also change it if you want for on, reply and forward use. If you want, you can check the checkbox Insert Signature before quoted text in replies and remove the double minus that precedes it. Scroll down and don't forget to click on the Save Changes button. If you now create a new email by clicking on Compose, you can see that the signature is already here. You can even change the signature by clicking on this pen icon right here in the bottom. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.